Dear students, today I will teach you about elements which is related from sets. Okay? What is elements in the case of sets? Okay? In this case, the objects used as name or numbers in the form of elements. That elements make sets. That elements make a set. Okay? Then before we know about elements, okay student, here elements, the object means name or number and so on. The object's number may be number or names, etc. The object means may be number or may be any name. Okay? All are the elements. Object may be any number form or a name form. Okay? Is used or used to form a set that is called, that number or names is called element. That are called elements. Elements of the sets of a set of a set of a set. Set is always right in middle bracket as here A is the set and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the numbers. In this case, elements are separate with a commas. Okay? And it may be name as, let the set be, example, here name Mohan, Sohan, Geeta, etc. Or the element form. Any name or any number here. Then we elements separate by commas under the middle bracket. Okay? After this, what is the relation between set and element? Set and element. set and elements here set are always written sets are always written by capital letter of English. Capital letter of English. Okay, as A, B, C, D up to dot and so on, Z. Okay, and small and elements are always written in small letter as A, B, C, D, E up to dot and so on. Okay, thus sets are always written in the form of capital letter and elements are always written in the small letter of English. Okay, after this sets are represented by two methods. Sets are represented by two methods. Sets are represented by two methods. First, roster form. It is also called tabular form. Okay, and second, builder form, and it is also known as rule form. Okay, student. Thus here sets are represented in two forms, roster form and builder form. Before we know about roster form, first we know that roster form. In roster form, elements are written by comma inside middle bracket. Here in this case elements of the sets of the set written by commas inside middle bracket as. Here let A is the set, then 1 2 3 4 5. These are the elements. Write it and separated by commas inside the middle bracket or curly bracket. Here B as A E I O U. Also write in this form. Okay. After this, in second case, and this is also known as a tabular form or roster form. In this case, elements are write with commas. After this, second builder form. Builder form also known as rule form. In this case, elements are not written by commas. In this case, elements are not written by commas. Elements here, element are according to this are here, elements are written according to their properties. Properties are rule. Properties are rule or in a statement. Here as let a set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Here A, this is the roster form. Okay, student. But roster form convert into builder form according to these properties of the element. Here A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 is a natural number which is less than 6. Okay, right here we let all element convert into x. Here write x such that this symbol is such that x belonging to n. This is so belonging to a symbol which is so present in natural number. X all elements present in natural number and less than 6 and less than 6. This is the right roster form in a statement. Okay, this statement form is called builder form. Builder form. Okay, then thus we convert roster form according to their properties, write in a statement. That statement form is called builder form. Okay, here as next example, as here V is the vowel A, E, I, O, U. Vowel of English alphabet. Okay, this set is right. This is form a roster form. This write in a statement. Here all is found in X. Let all elements are in X. Here write X such that X is vowel of English capitals. Okay, X such that X is a vowel. Write in statement form. This is known as a builder form. Thus we convert roster form in statement. This statement form is called builder form. Here whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, write in a statement form. This is the roster form. This is the roster form, and here write in a statement X all elements. Here X such that X belonging to whole number. X belonging to whole number, and this is less than 7. We can write in this form. Thus, this is the statement form of this roster form. Here, this is known as a builder form. Thus, we write roster form in builder form, and builder form write in a roster form. Okay, then thus we can change easily by roster form convert into builder form, and builder form convert into roster form. Okay, then next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student, thank all of you.